Okay, we're going to do a short tutorial here on how to change the rotating banners at the top of your website. So this is a little bit of an illusion when you see the live site, but when we are here on the back end of the site, you're going to see things a little differently than your audience does. So what I've done is logged into the website. You can see my main menu here on the left, and I'm going to click on home just to make sure that we're showing the home page here. And when I get down here to this white space here, I'm just going to click edit. What you're going to see is you're going to see that gallery that's here in your header is actually a gallery here on the home page. But what we've told the website to do is to hide that gallery and push it all the way to the top. And the only way we can do that is making sure that it is the very first block on the page. So you don't ever want to add anything above this gallery, or you will lose that feature. But when we're ready to edit that gallery, if you should want to add some new photos to it, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before I do that though, I want to tell you that I created these images in Canva, and I highly recommend Canva as a really easy online photo tool to use. It's free, and I've already sent you these photos that I created on your thumb drive. But if you want to create new ones, let me know. I'd be happy to do those for you at my normal design fee, which is very reasonable, or I'm sure that you all could figure that out as well. And in your trading guide, I've included the notes to what the dimensions of the photos are, as well as the font that I used so that those would be consistent with what you're creating. I can also share my Canva photos with you if you have a Canva account. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just let me know. But to add or delete any of these photos, I'm simply going to click edit when I'm hovering over the gallery. And all I have to do is click on this upload images button, which is going to open my computer finder window. I can add a new photo and just click open, and it's going to pop it right in here. And all I have to do is hit apply. That's all there is to updating the gallery once you have those photos created. It is set here under design to automatically transition. It's set to crop the images. And so we don't want to mess with any of the settings here. But all you have to do is upload a new image, and you can also drag them around just like I showed you in the other galleries to rearrange them. So that is all you need to do to update your header photo gallery.